Hello everyone, welcome to Geeker Mag. Did you know PS5 doesn't actually have a standard dark mode toggle, but there is a hidden setting in the accessibility menu that forces the UI into a clean, true black mode. In this video, let's learn how to enable the dark mode on PS5. Before that, if you find this video useful in any way, like the video and subscribe to the channel. On the PS5 home screen, go to Settings, cogwheel icon. In the settings, scroll up the list and select Accessibility. Inside the Accessibility settings, select Display and Sound. On the right side, scroll down and select High Contrast. By default, this is turned off. Go ahead and toggle this switch to on. You will see the difference immediately. The smoky background is gone, replaced by a solid black. This makes text pop and gives the console a much cleaner, minimalistic look. And that's it. Just keep in mind, high contrast mode might disable some translucent effects in the menus. But honestly, the clean look on the TV are worth it. That's all about this video. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching.